In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Cursor AI agent. This is one of Cursor AI's most advanced features, allowing the AI to understand your project, complete multi-step coding tasks, and help you work much faster. First, open Cursor AI and load the project you want to work on. The agent works best when your entire project folder is open because it can understand the files, folders, and relationships between different parts of your code. Next, open the Agent Asterisk feature from the AI panel. If your version of Cursor AI supports multiple AI modes, select Agent Mode ***. You may need to sign in and have access to AI features before using the agent. Now describe your task in natural language. For example, you can ask the agent to create a new feature, fix bugs across multiple files, refactor your project, add authentication, write unit tests, or update your code to use a newer framework. Be as specific as possible so the agent understands exactly what you need. The agent will analyze your project and may suggest a plan before making changes. Review the proposed actions carefully. Depending on the task, it can edit multiple files, create new files, or recommend changes throughout your project. Before accepting the changes, review the generated code and explanations. If something doesn't look right, ask the agent to revise its solution or explain why it made certain changes. You can continue the conversation until you're satisfied with the results. After applying the changes, save your project and test your application thoroughly. Even though the Cursor AI agent is powerful, it's always important to verify that everything works as expected before deploying your code. That's it. You now know how to use the Cursor AI agent to automate coding tasks, improve productivity, and build projects more efficiently. This concludes our Cursor AI Beginner Guide series.